For over a decade, Safaricom has helped millions across Kenya and East Africa thrive financially by establishing a debit-style form of banking via M-Pesa mobile wallet. Now, with the help of Western Union, Safaricom's electronic wallet revolution is going global. Starting now, more than 28 million M-Pesa wallet holders can send money utilizing Western Union's global money transfer functionality.
Our alliance with Safaricom is very important. It opens a world of possibilities for Western Union. It all starts with M-Pesa, Safaricom's mobile wallet. M-Pesa is the gateway for payments in Kenya. By connecting M-Pesa into the rails of Western Union, we are enabling its customers to send money to more than 200 countries and territories around the globe and billions of accounts.
Currently, there are 247 million active mobile money accounts globally, indicating a huge market opportunity.
This first alliance paves the way for other mobile financial operators to also connect to the Western Union rails. It reinforces Western Union leadership, not only in the retail front, but in this new important digital frontier.
In this expanding market, Kenyans will be able to send money to their families across the ocean for pickup at one of Western Union's more than 500,000 agent locations or into billions of bank accounts.
In terms of our strategy, we want to take M-Pesa to the world and the world to Kenya. We've been very successful with M-Pesa, with over 28 million customers using our services. But now it's how do we get customers to actually use and play in the global marketplace. And this is the perfect example of how we're innovating around the needs of our consumers to actually interact with the world. It's world-first in terms of enabling customers to actually transact and send money from M-Pesa to any bank account worldwide, as well as receive.
The new alliance between Safaricom and Western Union is an exciting collaboration poised to open up a world of economic opportunities.